In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening devices settings and scrolling down to tap on apps. Then scroll again to click on default apps and tap on home app. Now click on Simple View to apply it and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, Easy Mode was successfully enabled. To disable it, go into Devices Settings, click on Exit Simple View and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!